Hi there. We're really excited to share that we've recently streamlined the process for tree replacement in Revit, meaning you can automatically import trees as RPC families, which are nicely mapped for Enscape without having to do any manual configuration. In this video, I'll walk you through how this works. Let's get started. Firstly, you'll need to download a model from Cetopo using one of our Revit templates. In the template config file, make sure you have species toggled on if available in your region. You can play around with the other settings to find what works best for you. But I'd also recommend selecting park rather than forest if you're working in urban areas and forest in more rural locations. When you're happy, click download. Now open Revit. Make sure you have the latest Cetopo plugin downloaded and installed. There's a link to this in the video description. Then navigate to the Cetopo tab in your top ribbon. To choose how your trees import, you'll need to select an option in the drop-down next to this tree icon here. This dictates which tree families are used in your import. In order to get trees that most closely represent real-world conditions, please use the correct option for your country. Since the file I'm working with is from Finland, I'll choose Cetopo/Enscape/fi/detailed here. Now click Import and pick the CXF file you've downloaded from Cetopo to import, and follow the steps to import. For more detailed information on each of the settings, please see our other Revit videos linked in the description. Once that's imported, you'll be able to see in a plan view that you can see default tree family symbols where your trees are. If we move to a 3D view, you can see that the trees have been imported as Revit families, which quite closely reflect the correct tree species for your location. Depending on your site, you may see a few different tree types in the model. The last thing we'll look at here is Enscape, to show you how well these trees map. Opening Enscape from the top ribbon, you'll see that the trees map to real Enscape assets and behave exactly as if you'd placed these yourself. Thanks very much for watching this video. I hope it's been helpful. We're really excited about this update and can't wait to see what you all think of it.